So what do you get when you buy a Pnu-Point Mortar gun? You get a nice case. You get 4 gaskets. One's already installed in the lid and 3 spares. These should be replaced every 3 months. You get 4 nozzles. 1 for brickwork, 1 for stonework, 1 for your paving, and 1 for stonework when, you know, the really deep voids. You get the Pnu-Point Mortar gun itself, and you get a brush for cleaning down the inside, in the nozzle and around your threads. To install one of the nozzles, you simply just push it on. It can help if you twist it on the way on, and then as you're using it, you can twist to the perpendicular joints and twist flat to the bed joints.